at times. It's much more comfortable to shoot because the energy of gases, recoil gases, are reduced due to this kind of system. And because of that, we have now a very good accuracy, even in a standing position. You just coordinate this,
смотрите вот в это отверстие, совмещаете с этим.
That's very simple.
Все как учим?
It's very simple. That's it. Nothing more to explain.
How to recoil the barrel? I want to see how to connect in the mechanical.
Как механически там соединяется.
Так чтобы специально для гостей с южных Брил.
Снято, переснято.
Да, понимаю. Тем не менее, лишний рюкзачек он очень мешает.
Он ты видел, какие в газетах, он все оружие разбирает. Все, всякое оружие. Там спецвинтовки, там американцы.
Какая может быть государственная тайна? Да? О чем вы говорите?
Это просто все есть. Поэтому оно
давным-давно уже все фильтруем из дороги.
a little bit hot, still hot, the weapon. That's why it's so difficult. Okay, we start. While this weapon is still hot, we'll start with another weapon. Distance, you can 200 meters, you can change it. 700 meters. Two, okay?
I see. I see.
Контроль.
Вот вас перед тобой.
Ah. No recoil. I take full auto.
Закроешь все.
Full automatic. Two shot, two bus.
I think we're going to go. We're finished, right?
This is not straight.
Okay. I will leave you some money with Olga, and you can give it to the guys if you want to. Okay. And you can give her pen back. I told her she could trade the 3,000 rubles for her pen.
I know, okay.
Don't give her the pen till you get your
When
money.
the guys coming here, I take the gun from them.
Very good. Wow.